Thousands of meters beneath the ocean's surface, robots are already inspecting pipelines, surveying offshore energy infrastructure, and collecting scientific data from places humans rarely reach. Yet one challenge continues to follow them into the deep: communication. Because underwater, sending information is far more difficult than it is on land or in the air. For decades, the underwater world has relied mainly on acoustic communication. In simple terms, robots and submarines use sound waves to exchange information. The approach works, which is why it became the industry standard, but it also comes with limitations. Signals can experience delays, interference, and distortion in complex underwater environments. Researchers have spent years looking for alternatives, not because acoustic communication is failing, but because future underwater missions may require larger networks of autonomous machines working together. As more robotic systems enter the ocean, reliable machine-to-machine communication becomes increasingly important. That brings us to BlueME, a research project developed at the University of Florida. Despite recent headlines, this is not a completely new invention that appeared overnight. Earlier versions of the technology have been under development for some time. What is new is the growing attention following recent testing and publication, which highlighted progress in the system's development. The real story is not the antenna itself, it is the problem the antenna is trying to solve. Normally, generating very low-frequency electromagnetic signals requires relatively large antenna systems. That creates a challenge for compact underwater vehicles where space and power are limited. BlueME takes a different approach using magnetoelectric materials. Instead of relying on a large antenna structure, the system converts electrical energy into tiny mechanical vibrations. Those vibrations interact with magnetic materials to generate electromagnetic signals from a much smaller device. The practical value becomes clear when looking at real-world operations. Underwater robots are increasingly used to inspect pipelines, monitor offshore wind farms, examine subsea cables, and support scientific research missions. In many cases, multiple vehicles may need to share information while operating across large areas. Better communication could help these systems coordinate tasks more efficiently. At the same time, it is important to stay realistic. BlueME remains part of an active research effort. Real oceans are unpredictable environments, and laboratory success does not automatically guarantee large-scale deployment. Engineers still need to evaluate performance under different conditions and determine where the technology fits alongside existing communication systems. What makes this development worth watching is not that it replaces everything that came before it. Acoustic communication will continue to play a major role underwater. Instead, BlueME represents an attempt to expand the available options as underwater robotics becomes more advanced. More than 70% of Earth is covered by oceans, yet much of that world remains difficult to study and monitor. As underwater robots take on greater responsibilities in science, industry, and exploration, communication will remain one of the key technologies shaping what they can achieve. Sometimes, progress is not about creating something entirely new. Sometimes, it is about improving an existing challenge in a smarter and more practical way. If you enjoyed learning about the technologies shaping the future of engineering and exploration, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Dezhn, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next breakthrough.